Hi, I want to show you a tool I created for combining one or more Excel documents into one Word file. So, for example, I want to have all data from multiple Excel documents put into Word document with all table and with all data from spreadsheet in there. So this is my website. I will leave link in the description. To download tool, I just double click on the download button and wait until it will be downloaded. Click on archive, double click on MSI, and then more info. Run anyway. Click on next, install, and it will install application on my computer. I can close that and like that. Now I can you can see it creates new shortcut on my computer. Now if I double click on it and click on select input file, basically conversion is like 3 steps process. On first step I select all Excel files, and so when I click select input files and open my documents with all Excel I have in there, so I can click this, for example, US and Canada Excel file, and this list of United States cities. So I have 2 files. This, just holding control and clicking on another file. I have 2 files. Now I can open it, click on next step. Basically this indicates if first row of input file has column names will be used for Word document. I will click next, and to run conversion I click on run. I will be asked for name of Word document file. This name is okay. I just click save and file will be saved. Now if I go to my documents, or if I open this file here, I have recent file, you will see that it will have all tables from Excel file combined into one document. So first will be United States, then list of United States cities by area date. So all data from all files are combined into the tables. Basically that's it. It allows you to combine multiple Excel files into one Word document if you need it. And so that's it. Please give it a try and let me know if it works for you.